Mobile phones are the most common device used mainly for communication and other activities that are done and can be done online. However, this device only lasts for a specified amount of hours depending on the usage, resulting to its battery getting low or drained. We need to charge phones in order to restore the phone's battery energy. But charging needs constant attention in order to know if the battery is fully charged. Charging can be inconvenient and sometimes people can forget about it, especially those who are busy and those who charge at night or before bed. Although phone batteries are designed to stop charging once the battery becomes fully charged, chargers still overheat and can potentially cause fire when left unattended. Another cause of chargers heating up is the use of the wrong charger to a certain device or brand of phone and using cheap chargers. Researchers then came up with a solution, and that is to create an auto-temperature-based cooler for chargers, which is the POCHACO. This device will prevent chargers from overheating by cooling the charger's adapter when it reaches a specific temperature. The researchers will be using thermistor, a temperature sensor that will automatically turn the fan or cooler on once the adapter reaches a certain temperature. This device will be designed to be adjustable and can be attached to any size of phone charger's adapter. The researchers believe that this device will be of great help in preventing fires caused by chargers that overheat and exploded. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.